Hi, it's Karen Damshin with Damshin Financial Planning, here for your weekly Medicare and health insurance update. It's another combo platter today. So what I want to kind of chat about is this update on what could affect the future of prescription drug prices in the U.S. So on May 12th, President Trump signed a new executive order aimed at lowering the cost of prescription drugs. This first order gives drug makers 30 days to voluntarily reduce their prices in the U.S. If no deals are made, then the government's going to consider tying drug prices to what other countries pay. For example, countries in Europe where prices are often lower. As a matter of fact, Trump has said, we're going to pay what Europe pays. So who's in charge? Well, Secretary Robert F. Kennedy has been tasked with leading the negotiations. If the drug makers don't comply, he'll draft some new rules to enforce the price changes. This order is mainly targeting folks who are covered by Medicare and Medicaid, which together spend hundreds of billions of dollars each year on prescription drugs. But if you have private health insurance, you could notice some changes, but it's probably going to be a ways down the road, maybe years down the road. The pharmaceutical industry is pushing back. They're saying that this is a bad deal for American patients and arguing that it really could limit research ability for the pharmaceutical manufacturers. So, of course, there's plenty of political controversy. This is not the first time this idea has come up. As a matter of fact, back in 2020, Trump had proposed this most favored nation approach as well, but it was blocked in court. So what's kind of next with this? Well, top health officials, drug company executive, lots of brains are going to get together over the next 30 days. They're going to try to come to some pricing agreements. But remember, Medicare is also scheduled to start negotiating prices on certain drugs in 2026. This was due to that law that passed in 2022. So I discussed that a couple of months ago. What does this mean for you today? For now, nothing probably changes. Your current prescriptions are probably going to stay the same. But I think it's a pretty important issue to keep my eye on. So as always, I'll keep monitoring this. I'll keep you informed. And if you have questions about your Medicare, your health insurance, or friends, family, loved ones have questions about theirs, please reach out. Thanks as always for watching, and take care. Have a great rest of your week.